game is still in development, so everything seen here is subject to change.
Alright, guys, so seriously. Alright, guys, so today we are playing Baldi's Basics in Education and Learning. In Learning and Education. Okay, guys, you already know this isn't actually what the mod is called. This mod is called Baldi's Test Engine. Yeah, I found it from PJ Films. He actually played it a day ago. So, yeah, I decided to download and play it. School is done and you're on summer break, but your cousin left all of her notebooks at Baldi's school. Oh my freaking god. Help her find all the notebooks she left and leave the school. But your cousin is stupid. Why am I so...
Welcome to my schoolhouse.
That is so disoriented. Why is it like go to sleep's room? And damn. Seriously, I have like... My hands can barely reach. Oh, I did not see this. Bro, what? Okay, that's not really fair because like, you just spawned there. Okay, that's go to sleep soon, right? Maybe no. Why is it like this? Do I have infinite stamina? Okay, I was gonna say I thought I can just like touch the notebooks, but no, I have to click on them. Ooh. Cool faculty. There's nothing in there. Another notebook. Why is it foggy all of a sudden? Okay, Baldi's still active. Gonna go in here. Whoa! What is that sound? Someone chasing me? What is that? Oh, that's nothing. What is that sound? Is that just like to prevent me from hearing Baldi or something? My god. Another notebook? No. Okay, yeah, there's no items. There's no items because I don't even have an inventory, so yeah, what the... Why is it just heal? I don't know why I downloaded this mod. Oh no, that's not good. Okay, this is the cafeteria. Last notebook? Yeah. Yes, come on. It stopped. What? Don't you? You're gonna jump scare me, aren't you? Yeah. I'm ready for it. Maybe not. Oh my! Please tell me that was intentional. Yep. Your game files seem to have corrupted and may not function properly. Please make sure to back up any files before any further damage is made. It's one of these mods? Oh, okay. Just like 0.3.8. Understanding and learning. Okay, I get it now. You're just gonna cover my whole screen? Sure, I'm fine with that. I'm just gonna wait, and wait, and wait. Ooh. Dialogue, I think. Yeah, it is. So we finally meet. Huh? Bad Son! I think it's Bad Son. Finally, I was getting to... Oh, I'm desperate. I can't read. I was going to say depression. What? Depression.
What?
Listen, I don't know if you're a playtester for the game or just a random player, but I really need your help. Okay. I think it's Bad Son because of the blue text, maybe? No. Because Bad Son is blue, he wears a blue t-shirt and a blue pants, and it's completely bald. You see, you thought you just found an alternative version of Baldi's Basics for computers that can't run the OG Baldi's Basics. Huh? What? Okay. Didn't you? No, I just wanted to play this. Okay. My No. My computer can run OG Baldi's Basics. It can. This game is not what it seems. Yeah, I know it's 0.3.8. Yes, it started out as a simple version of itself. Yeah, this is so 0.3.8 style. But as development went on, he began to add more AIs into the game. Some better than others. Okay. Interesting. Wow. Okay. Are you done?
No!
Oh, you don't? Oh, but you take so long. However, one AI stood out from the others. The Baldi AI. Started out simple, but it slowly began to gain more sentience as time went on. I think I said that wrong.
Yeah!
I would like to explain more, but I don't have much time. What's happening? All I could say for now is this: until I gain more control of the code. Oh wow, this is interesting. I will load you back into the schoolhouse. Once you load in, look for a notebook. It should be in one of the school faculty rooms. Okay? You gonna send me in back now?
No!
You take so long. Hurry up and say the next thing. Thank you. I won't explain why. Just do as you are told. Okay. Can you just drop me to the schoolhouse now? Thank you. He finally stopped talking. Now it's just a black screen. Okay, does it have to be dark? No, does it have to be... Why am I slow? Does it have to be dark?
Yeah! Oh my god, bro.
I think this, this is not a dead end. I think there's like school faculties in the classrooms too. Maybe? Okay, please tell me it's in here. Well, okay. Guys, I don't know why I am very slow. I guess they want to make this more time consuming, I'm sure. I think, like, one of the classrooms literally just have a school faculty. I think. I'm not entirely sure. Oh, yeah, wait. Oh, no, that's school faculty room, but no. Guess I'm just seeing things. Guys, I really hate the fact that I'm extremely slow, and I can't find any of the other school faculty rooms. I don't know why. Oh my god, wait, where am I going? Have I been here before? Maybe I probably have, but I don't even know because it's so goddamn dark. Why didn't he give me a flashlight? This must be the cafeteria, okay. I think there should be one here. Yes! Okay, good. Please. Oh, it's this one.
No!
Wait, what? Oh. For some reason I thought it was this one because it's glitching. Oh my god. Yeah. I think there's like two more school faculty rooms I haven't explored. And that's just it, and that's great. So, I think there was like one school faculty room where I like died. Not died, but like, yeah, I guess I died, I don't know. But it was like probably here somewhere. I got killed. Oh, there's another one. Also, they're just always glitchy. Now, come on! Which one is it? That's like 3 school faculty rooms now. I'm gonna guess a dead end. But why am I so... Oh my god. Okay, good. Has to be in here. Please. Oh, must be this one. Okay, yeah, it's definitely this one. Yes! Let's go. Bam! Finally. Alright. Make sure you write your yes or no answers in full caps to make the answer count. No, wait, no. No. Do you get the feeling that you're feeling watched? No. Would you help please someone you know and be rewarded? No. Do you really think that what you're doing is necessary? No. Do you stand a chance to whoever you're about to face? No. Hi. Sorry, but we didn't have any other choice. I don't have enough control yet. Is there gonna be like a jump scare? Sudden jump scare? Now I'll be prepared, user. Boss fight? Cause once we start, oh no, oh no, there will be no backing out. Okay, no, I can back out. I can just exit the game. I'm really smart, guys. Now listen closely. There will be 4 notebooks to be collected. on this floor. You're back. Okay, thanks for telling me the instructions. Look for the doors that are red and have a symbol on them, usually depicted as a scribbled circle. Interesting. Okay. Now these doors are pretty hard to find, so make sure you mark each one you find, okay? How do I do that? Can I like mark on my map? Like in Boys Basics? Oh, I almost forgot about the AIs you will face. Oh no! No! But this is so Super 3.8 classic style. Like, style. Baldi won't be on this floor, but the principal will be on that floor. Okay. I could probably die to him if he sees me running. If he will move around aimlessly around the building, if he catches you on contact, you fail. Oh, yep, I knew it. So just take my time. Are there any other AIs? Don't worry about you losing and not being able to play it again. If you lose, I could help bring you back by resorting you back into the elevator?
What?
Okay. Once you grab all of the notebooks, try to get back to the elevator as fast as possible. 'Cause, well... What? I am running out of time. I will talk more later after this floor. Oh my god. Do I have to beat this in a time limit? Please tell me. Okay, he's done talking. Alright guys, I'm going to have to log in maybe. Maybe it's just a principle, I don't know. So he said I have to look for the doors that are red and have like a symbol on them. Come on, hurry up! What? Oh, what? Oh. What the freak? Okay, I can't run. No, I can't run anymore. What is this? What? Oh. Alright guys, I finally found the entrance. Oh my god. Man, they didn't know I was already in the game. Oh my god, that's the principal. Wait a minute! Can I pause? No, I can't. What? Wait, is that a portal? Oh, that's the portal. Oh my god, I thought that was the principal.
You stupid.
Oh my days. Can I? Is it just loading? What is this music? Oh my god. Okay, it shouldn't be taking that long. Okay, oh my god. This is gonna be hard, isn't it? Okay, 4 notebooks. Oh no, can I... Tip, if it cannot go through any classrooms, it can catch you off guard. Oh my god. Wait! So if it sees me, I'm dead? Oh. Okay, this is already scary. Oh my god. What in the world? Oh my god, this... What? Oh, so... Oh, what the freak? Oh, what? Oh my god, that... Wait, there's multiple of them. Wait. Oh, oh my god, I'm dead. I am very stupid.
Yeah.
I thought he would be slow. What a shame you didn't get it. But that's okay, there's always room for improvement. Oh my god, bro. Wait, what if he's like the longer he sees you? Can I move? What if he's like what if it's like the longer he sees you? The faster he'll get. So basically you have to lose sight of him, because like maybe. Oh yes! Can I? Oh. So you need to find those doors. Does it know where you are? Oh my god. Okay, so you do have to go into the blue doors. Oh my god. Open! Oh my god. Go in here. No, but why does he have to be silent? Oh my god, guys. Whoa! Oh no, so that was him. Where am I going? Okay. Does he have to be silent? Does he have to be? Uh, it looks like. Am I in a room? Cause like, how can you actually tell you're in a room? Okay, I'm in a room because like this is basically a dead end. Yeah.
Oh.
Oh my!
Hi.
You can hear him. Thank God. I'm gonna stay quiet, guys. Thank God. I think I've already been here. No, 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 no. Oh my God. Oh my freaking God, I'm gonna. Ugh. I've already been in here, right? Oh my God, that was a close one. Oh my. Ah, the principal here is so. Oh my. Nope. What's this? I'm in a room, right? Doesn't look like it. Where the heck did I just go? Oh. I don't know if I've gone this one. Oh, I have. Dang it. Oh no, I have. Wait, did I? Yeah, I have. Frick. Oh my god. Bro. Come on, bro. I don't know what it is. Wait, was it this?
Yeah.
Oh my god. Oh my god, guys. I had to just... Oh, hey, I know we only just met each other, but I want to introduce myself to you just so I can get that out of my hairs. I know your name, it's Basombo. I don't really have a name though. I usually just go by file name 2 or null, because the dev never really thought I could work. Oh my god! The origin of null. I'm joking, guys. What? But you can call me either null or file name 2. I won't judge. Oh my god, you are null? I'll call you null, it's quicker. Anyway, enough talk. You must be wondering how I am able to control some parts of the code, right? Go on. Hurry up, file name 2. File name 2. That was your old name, now it's null. Well, back when it was in alpha stages, the dev and his playtesters have often had trouble beating their own game. So as a compromise, they made me as a simple yet effective way to spot any bugs lying around in the game. Okay. However, as time moved on, they improved and they saw me as quote unquote outdated, even though I was helping them with everything. So instead of keeping me around, they just threw me into all the scrap code and maps that deemed to be unnecessary.
Oh!
That's when you became a bad guy, huh? Because they did that to you? You'll see what I mean soon. Oh my freaking. No, come on, man. Well, looks like our next round is coming up. I'm not sure what this is next. I'm not sure what this next one is, so let's just hope it doesn't bring us to anywhere that we don't want to see. You don't know this? Well, where the frick you then? Oh, end of floor 1 demo. Thanks for playing floor 1 demo Baldi test engine. Next flowing floors may take a while, so you're gonna have to be patient for the full release. You can now press escape to close the game. I pressed escape.
Welcome. The game is still in development, so everything seen here is subject to change.
What the heck is this? I just clicked on password. I didn't know this was actually clickable. This is where you type in your passwords as you get more into the game. The passwords are hidden well. So think of the passwords as a little scavenger hunt, not in the demo. No. Boldy. No, wait. Boldy is bold. No spaces, guys. Oh yeah, this because you said there's no passwords. Yeah, school's not even on summer break, but your cousin left all the notebooks at boys' school. Help her find all the notebooks she left in the school. Your not sister, cousin is so stupid.
Yeah!
So was a girl for all this time?
Yeah!
Okay. Alright. Okay, guys, that was Baldi's test engine. Okay, thank God it ended at floor 1, because I don't really wanted to do floor 2. Oh my god, okay guys, that mod was actually pretty good. It was good. It was actually good. It was good. It was actually good. I should probably shut up now. Yeah, they said that other floors will take a while. I think he's probably going to work on floor 2 and 3. Well, floor 1 was like collecting 4 notebooks with the principal. But there was a moment where I almost died, and I was like, what? Yeah, but thank God I made it out alive. I only died once. That was a good mod. Like, even though it's a demo, it's a pretty good mod. There are like so many demos out there that are just so good. There was that Fang game, I'm pretty sure. The Baldi Basics 0.91. Yeah, there's that one. Yeah. What else? Attack of the Boulder? Mm-hmm. Yeah, that game is just gonna be stayed. Incomplete? No, man, Michael is getting frick you. Like, he's one of the best Baldi Basics creators out there. Like, he's so good. As well as the Encoded. He's also a good one. Yeah, it's actually good that I found this mod by PJ Films. Like, PJ Films, he finds very good mods pretty early. So, yeah. He probably, like, searches, like, Baldi Basics good mods or something. Nah, I don't think he does that. He just probably scrolls through popular mods, basically. Maybe? In the Game Banana page? I'm not sure. I don't know how he finds the good mods. As well as, it's also a Bidge Mike. He also recently found a mod that's creepy. Yeah, I might play that next. So yeah, guys, that was Baldi's test engine. Yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Bye.